Hello, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss about the 6 ray diagrams of a concave mirror. If you have not watched our previous video, please watch our previous videos, then only you will get an idea about what we are discussing in this video. For easy purpose, we are discussing some of the highlights from the previous videos for a better understanding of this video. So these points are like what? The P represent the pole, F represent the focus, C represent the center of curvature, okay, and this is the principal axis, okay. The line passing through the pole is known as the principal axis. So if we draw any line which is parallel to the principal axis, it will come through the focus, and if you draw any line that is passing through the center of curvature, it will come back through the center of curvature itself. Any image formed on the same side of object, it is known as real image. All other images forming on the other side is known as virtual image. And let's start with our first figure. So first condition is what? First condition, object is placed at infinity, okay. Object is placed at infinity. The object is named as AB here. So we need two ray diagrams to draw any figure. So one ray diagram is passing parallel to the principal axis and it is coming through focus, and we are taking another light ray. It is coming again, okay, and it is passing through the focus. In this case, image is formed here, okay, image is formed here, and we are getting a tiny image of the object, and the nature is like what? It is a real image, but it is inverted. That is the first case. And our second case, in second case, the image is placed behind the center of curvature or beyond the center of curvature, okay. So first light ray which is traveling parallel to the principal axis and it is coming through it is coming through the focus, okay, and second light ray, it is passing through the center of curvature and it is returning back through center of curvature. So at the point where these two lines meet, we get an image, okay, which is an diminished image, okay, much smaller image than the object. It is a real image because it is forming on the same side, and it is an inverted image, okay. And the third case, in the third case, the object is placed at center of curvature, okay. Object is placed at center of curvature. So the first line, it is passing parallel to the principal axis and it is coming through the focus, and second light ray that is passing through the focus, so it is coming parallel to the principal axis. So this is the point where these two lines are meeting, okay. So here the image formation will happen because the image is forming on the same side of object. It is a real image, but it is an inverted image, okay. And the fourth case, so object is placed in between center of curvature and focus, okay. Object is placed here. So our first line, it is passing parallel to the principal axis, so it is coming through the focus, okay. And the second light ray is coming through through our center of curvature. So both of them are meeting at this point, so image will be formed here, okay. Image is formed here. So just like it is forming on the same side of object, it is a real image, but it is an inverted image, but it is much a bigger image, okay, much bigger image. And the fourth case, object is placed at where? Object is placed at the focus. Object is placed at focus. Our first light ray which is parallel to principal axis, it is coming through focus, and second one, it is going like this and it is coming through a center of curvature, okay, clear. So both of them are parallel lines and they are not going to meet, okay. So image will be like what? Big image, but it will be real and inverted. And the last case, the sixth case, the most important case, like what? The object is placed in between focus and pole. So this is the position of our object. So first light ray, it is coming to pole and it is reflected here. Okay, so in this case this angle and this angle is same. Okay, so the reflection is happening in such a way that these two angles are same, and the second light ray, it is happening on after reflection, it is coming through where it is coming through the center of curvature. So what is happening, we are extending these two lines, this extending to these two lines to this point. So at this point we get an image. So very important, the image is forming on this side, so it is a virtual image, but in this case it is an erect image. Clear? So these are the conditions and nature of image formation. So because we understood the you understood the video, so if you are planning for an online tuition, contact us. See you in another video.